Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet red bean bread or pat pang. In a bowl, prepare 200 ml hot water and 200 ml cold milk. Add 4 tablespoons of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix them all together. Add 1 and 1/2 tablespoon of active yeast and set it aside for around 5 minutes. This is how it looked like after. I add 2 large eggs on the yeast mixture and beat them together. Also, I add 1/2 cup of melted butter. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. I use 4 cups of all-purpose flour first to form a dough and slowly mix them all together. I use spatula to remove the excess flour from the sides. And when I use my hand to start kneading the dough, I slowly added the 1 cup of all-purpose flour. For this procedure, I use 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I will transfer the dough in a separate bowl to grow. Meanwhile, I got shortening not to stick the dough on the sides. Cover it with cling wrap and then wait for around 30 minutes. After, this is how it looked like. Already it doubled in size. Now let's start kneading. I used 1 cup of flour here to knead the dough properly. So all in all, I used 6 cups of all-purpose flour. Continue kneading until we can have soft and stretchy dough. Once the dough is soft enough, then cut it in half. Slice them into pieces and form a rounded shape. Now let's prepare the filling, the sweet red bean. I have description below on how to make this. Now let's start the procedure for filling. Flatten the rounded dough and add the red bean ball. Wrap them together and seal the end part and transfer it on a baking tray. Repeat this procedure until all filled with sweet red bean, and I'll show you how to form a flower shape. To form a flower, we need to flatten the rounded dough first and start cutting. Equally cut each sides so that we can have pretty shape of a flower. This is how they look like after. pretty shape of flour bread. And I slowly brush them with egg yolk. Once all done, leave space in the middle, poke a little bit, and then add sesame seeds, or you can use also nuts for this. This is how they look like after coating with egg and sesame seeds. Cover them with plastic for around 5 minutes more to grow. And now they're ready for baking. I preheated my oven. Cook the bread for around 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, our pat pang is ready. It smells good all over the house. They are very soft and very pretty. I brush them with sweet honey to make it more shiny and a little bit more sweet. This is the honey I used. Transfer them on a plate and serve with coffee, milk, or juice. I will show you how it looks like inside. Very soft and yum. Hope you enjoy my recipe today. Please like my video, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell. See you again next time. Bye bye.